Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna talk about Celsius Network, and I'm gonna tell you how can you get this promo code and what is the promo code all about. So if you're interested, if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And before we get started, I would like to challenge you to the world largest keto challenge, which is a health diet supplementary drink, which you can drink, and after that, from there, it's gonna improve your health eventually if you drink it as instructed. And of course, basically, if you want to know more, just click on the link down below, and from there you'll be redirected to this web page, and from there just click on the video to learn more. So let's talk about Celsius. So if you are into Celsius, and of course if you are not into Celsius, recently Celsius had some issues with their DNS. So basically they found some vulnerability, and from there basically they used 24 hours to fix the issue, and after that, from there 24 hours within the 24 hours time frame, nobody else was able to access the website. And after that, I assume the website, but on the app itself, definitely you can't log in and stuff like this, so everything is blocked out. And from there, but Celsius has gave like announcement saying that the funds are all safe, and after that nothing is wrong. It's only the DNS, so they managed to fix it. And from there, right now they are giving a promo code out, so I'm gonna tell you about the promo code. But first, if you don't know what is Celsius, basically Celsius is a company that I would say acting like a bank, but they are not technically a bank. But basically what they do is whatever the bank does, taking taking cryptocurrency, and from there they just borrow out, and from there they earn the interest rate, and after that it's a cycle. Therefore they're able to keep generating incomes, and after that, from there you're able to earn percentage of your deposits depending on what you deposit in. So for new users out there, this information is very I would say very beneficial for you. So you're able to earn up to basically 21.4549%, depending on which currency that they offers, and after that different currency different rates. So over here you can see here for the international wise, Bitcoin is 6.2 if you're earning in Celsius, and after that if you do not want to earn in Celsius, you can earn in one kind. Meaning what is this in kind? Basically is Ethereum. If you are not asking payouts for in Celsius, you are able to get in only Ethereum, that you only want your payouts to be in the coins that you deposit in. Basically do not enable the option, so the options is over here. Just over here, you just click on this, and after that, if I'm not wrong, it is wallet. And after that, let's say for Tether, you can just click on it and scroll down. From here you can see earn in kind. You can just disable this, and from there you're earning in kind. And after that, if you want to visit all, you can just click on my Celsius page. So over here, my Celsius, and after that, from there you can click on earnings, and over here you can choose separately, or basically over here everything you can choose which one to like accept to receive in Celsius, if not just in kind. So basically, if you did not tick the box, let's say you put in some Uniswap, you did not enable the option, you don't take the option, basically you are just earning Uniswap. And from there, Uniswap right now, how much they are giving. So for Uniswap, it is 6.5% for Uniswap purely. If you do Celsius you want to earn in Celsius, you're getting this amount over here. So the website, just head over to the website and click on the earn, and from there scroll down all the way, you're able to see all the rates. And even better, if you do not want to head over to the website, just use my link down below. You sign up, and for new users, you are able to basically deposit up to $200 worth of Celsius. $200 worth of cryptocurrency, and from there you're gonna get $20 in Bitcoin. And after that, it is basically very simple. You just need to put your funds in for 30 days, and from there you are able to receive your rewards in Bitcoin after 30 days. And normally how does it look like? It will look like this. So over here in Bitcoin, let's say you put in Ethereum or whatsoever, you'll be receiving this. If you scroll down, you will see this over here lock. So basically these are all the locks, and after that, from there you can see I have quite a few of Bitcoin being locked up. It's because people has been using my referral link, and from there I'm very grateful for those who are watching my video from time to time, and after that referring people onto the onto the platform, and after that new users that are basically looking for an entry and a video guide. Maybe my video help you out, answer some of your questions, and you decided to put in some money, and from there, yes, every time that every new account that's being signed up, if they put in $200 in in crypto deposited into Celsius, I will receive $20, and the user that has put in the money will also receive $20. So if you want, you can also promote this to your friends or family, and from there you can earn the $20 in Bitcoin. And after that, it is basically just by promoting Celsius. And from there, we are going to talk about the promo code. So over here, what is this promo code all about? So first of all, they have from this email, the newsletter. So you can read, happy to report that all their services are up and running and fully operational after the temporary outage with GoDaddy, their DNS provider. So blah, 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 you can watch the whole video here. So yeah, this is an email, so I can't put it in, but I will put the link of this video over here, and after they can head over to Celsius Twitter for more details. So in the response to the feedback and out of a gesture of appreciation of continued support, they are giving out $25 in crypto with with your next transfer of $200 or more to your Celsius wallet. So before you transfer the funds, you will need to enter the promo code DNS. So basically, how can you enter this promo code? So if you are a Celsius user, you are able to do this, and if you are not a Celsius user, you are also able to do this. So basically, your new sign up, you're gonna get up to $45 in crypto. And after that, from there, what you need to do is just click over here and just head over to your profile. And once you reach your profile, just enter promo code and just enter DNS. So I already entered it previously. So I've already activated the promo. So what is the promo all about? You need to for the next 10 days, once you have activated this promo code, for the next 10 days you will need to put in $200 worth, and after that, from there, lock up your funds for around 30 days. Not really lock up, you can withdraw it, but if you want to get this $25, you will need to basically lock up for 30 days. So if you are a new user right here, with the ongoing promotion right now, I do not know if it is stackable, but you can try putting maybe for your first sign up, you deposit $200 in first, and after that, from there, once it is showing, you are eligible for the $20 Bitcoin for free. And after that, the next step, I would say you enter the promo code and you deposit. You enter the promo code DNS and you deposit another $200, and from there it will be a much safer option, I would say. So over here, so some of the newsletter that is talking about the 10-day of their Celsius token valued at over $1.50. So I'm going to talk about this, and I'm going to link this down below. So for the Celsius employment, Celsius bonus, Treasury explain. So over here, I'm not going to read the whole article, but I'm just going to tell you what is this picture all about. So when Celsius reached $1.50, they have redistributed 17.5 million Celsius token towards the team. And after that, from there, this is the next goal for Celsius. So if Celsius reaches $3, it is going to distribute 10 million worth to the team. $5, 6 million towards the team. $10, it is going to 3 million towards the team. And of course, eventually it reaches the final goal, $15. It is going to release $2 million, 2 million Celsius towards the team. So you can see this is somehow the price gauge that if you are an investor, you are able to gauge the price, because if let's say the $5 mark is going to take 3 years to reach, yes, definitely you can hold it for 3 years, and once it reaches 6 million is going to the team. And after that, if eventually for $15, I would say maybe 10 years down the road, it might go to 15, you will never know. But if it reaches 15 earlier, then yes, that's going to be a good thing for the team, and the team will release this 2 million towards the team and reserve at 4 million Celsius token. So to determine how many Celsius each employee receives, so basically this is what they do. So the individual employee score is the ranking times time plus locking, and after that, the entire sum of the company's individual score times the Celsius distributed. So this is how they distribute the tokens towards their team. And after that, so these are much more additional info that if you're interested, I'm going to link this article down, and from there you're able to have a good read. I'm going to link the the video that is mentioned on the email, and after that the Celsius treasury bond, I would say, to the group, to this description down below. So if you're interested, just click on it. And of course, we're going to look at some of the earnings that I achieved over from the last update till now. So over here you can see on the 6th of November, I received around $30 in Celsius. So it is somewhat reasonable for of $11,000, almost $12,000 worth of investment. Every week I'm receiving around 30, and after that, if the price of Celsius goes up, yeah, basically you know that my earning goes up as well. So right now, if you want, you can earn Celsius, earn in Celsius, and after that, from there, I would say it's a better option. Not really, but I would say it is somehow like a better option because you can see over here, out of my around 2 years of holding with Celsius, or even I would say around 2 years plus, yeah, it has generated me over this amount, earning in my own crypto, earning in my own in the Celsius kind, and after that, from there, I would say majority of it is with Celsius. So over here you can see 5,000 over Celsius that has been distributed to me over time, which is totally for free. I had a holding of around 10,000, but I sold half into, yeah, basically I sold half and I explore about DeFi, and yeah, basically I use my money on DeFi, and after that converted into other coins to split my investment out, and after that from there you can see I still have a holdings of 5,000 in Celsius, and yeah, basically it is worth 10,000 now, and I'm very grateful that yeah, I made the option to to earn in Celsius. And of course, yeah, basically when I sold my Celsius, it was around, I would say, $1.30 over cents. But yeah, no regrets. It is all free money. And after that, yeah, eventually of all the holdings that I received, you might be thinking, oh, I could earn more. But I would say there's no once you made a decision, you can't regret it, because if you keep regretting it, you're gonna be like, oh, I should have done that, I should have done this, and eventually you're gonna be very stressful. But why not just learn how to take profit? So basically what my approach is, once I sold it off, I'm just gonna say this is profit, and after that it is really profit. Therefore, I learned how to take my profit, and from there I'm able to use the funds to invest in other potential investment out there. So I would say no regrets on Celsius. And after that, if you are interested, you can, yeah, basically you can sign up, and from there use the promo code and use my referral link to earn the $45 worth of free crypto. So that's the end of the video, and I hope you like the video. Leave a thumbs up to the channel kindly, and after that subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification on to catch my next video, and of course see you on the next one. Peace.